Straight Talk Wireless maintains a comprehensive device unlock policy designed to meet both regulatory requirements and customer needs. Understanding the eligibility criteria is essential before requesting an unlock. There are several primary requirements that must be met before your device becomes eligible for unlocking. These requirements ensure account security and compliance with carrier policies. The first requirement is that your device must have been active on Straight Talk service for a minimum of 12 months. This waiting period allows the carrier to recover device subsidies and ensures customer commitment. Your account must be in good standing with no outstanding balances. This means all bills are paid and there are no unresolved account issues or disputes. The device cannot be reported as lost, stolen, or involved in any fraudulent activity. This security measure protects against unauthorized unlock requests and maintains network integrity. Finally, all service payments must be current and complete. Any pending payments or payment plan obligations must be fulfilled before unlock eligibility. Beyond account requirements, there are also technical criteria that determine whether your specific device can be unlocked. From a technical standpoint, the device must be capable of being unlocked. Not all devices support unlocking due to hardware or software limitations. The device must be either Straight Talk branded or confirmed compatible with the unlock process. Some third-party devices may not be eligible for unlocking through Straight Talk. International devices may face additional restrictions or requirements. These devices often require special handling due to different frequency bands and regulatory compliance issues. Straight Talk's unlock policy follows a structured approach that balances business needs with consumer rights, ensuring a fair and transparent process for all customers. This structured policy framework ensures that each unlock request is evaluated fairly and consistently, protecting both customer rights and carrier interests while maintaining network security. Understanding these eligibility requirements is crucial before submitting an unlock request. Meeting all criteria significantly improves your chances of a successful unlock approval. The Straight Talk device unlock process follows a structured 5-step approach. Each step is designed to ensure security while providing a clear path to unlocking your device. Step 1 is to verify your device's eligibility. You can do this through Straight Talk's online portal or by contacting customer service directly. This verification ensures your device meets all the necessary requirements before proceeding. Step 2 involves submitting a formal unlock request with all required information. This includes account holder verification, your device's IMEI number, account PIN, or security information, and the reason for your unlock request. The IMEI number is a unique identifier for your device. It's a 15-digit number that can be found in your phone's settings or by dialing *#06#. This number is crucial for the unlock process as it identifies your specific device. Step 3 is the processing period. Once your request is submitted, Straight Talk typically takes between 2 to 5 business days to review and process your unlock request. During this time, they verify all information and prepare your unlock solution. Step 4 is receiving your unlock code or instructions. The delivery method varies depending on your device type. Some devices receive unlock codes via text message, while others may receive detailed instructions through email or the customer portal. The final step is to confirm that your unlock was successful. Follow the provided instructions to complete the unlock process on your device, then test it with a different carrier's SIM card to verify that the unlock worked properly. The entire unlock process is designed to be straightforward while maintaining security. By following these 5 steps and providing the required information, most customers can successfully unlock their Straight Talk devices within the standard processing timeframe.